everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you're so and highly welcome. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you what you are gonna be doing anytime you want to get down there. Yeah, okay, so this is actually very effective and you're gonna be loving it. It's equally gonna be helpful for your skin and it's gonna make you super duper wanting and strong. Okay, so if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me take you right into the video. So to have that strength and to be active, okay, you're gonna be needing to use this, and this is actually watermelon. I've actually not opened it before, but let's open it together and let me show you how you are gonna be, you know, doing this, how you're gonna be achieving that results. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the watermelon. And it's actually a very ripe watermelon. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna be cutting the watermelon. And then we're going to be putting that into the blender plus the seed. Alright, so this is it. Now we have to blend it. Okay guys, so I'm actually not going to be blending it for too long since we would have to be sieving this out. So this is how it is right now, and then we're going to be sieving it out. Now, even if you want to take it like this plus all of this fiber, okay, you can do that, which is actually very good. But for me, I would have to be sieving it out, and this is the way I'm gonna be doing it. And you have to use a very ripe watermelon, just like mine. Okay guys, so this is how it is. This is your watermelon juice for your consumption. Yeah, and when you consume this guys, you're gonna be wanting it really more with your with your partner. Yeah, so we're going to be putting more ingredients to this, but this is actually how the watermelon is, very ripe. And the next thing we're going to be needing is tiger nut. This is it, tiger nuts. Okay, so tiger nuts is one great ingredient for our body. Yeah, so when you're taking tiger nuts a lot, you're going to see the improvements. Okay, so from the title of this video you will definitely understand what this video is going to be all about. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is to wash the tiger nuts into the blender. And this is it. And then the very next ingredient is dates. So you can actually get a ripe date in the market, and it's actually very helpful when you use the ripe one. That is what is going to work really well. Okay, and make sure that your date has seed in it. Yeah, okay. So we're going to be opening up the date. And then we're going to be putting it into the blender straight away. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, so now is that we're going to be putting in just a little water, and then we're going to be blending this. Okay guys, so it's blended. Now would have to be sieving out the juice. And the juice is going to be milkish in color and sweet also. Okay, so this is watermelon juice, and this is the tiger nuts and date juice, and we're going to be putting it in together. Then it's going to be changing the color of this. Okay, so for this you can drink this whenever you want to get in contact. Okay, you can drink this, and it's going to help you a whole lot, like a whole lot of benefits. It's going to increase your strength, and it's going to increase your desire for your partner, and you're good to go. Yeah, so you can drink it every day if you want, or you can drink it only when you want to get interested and only when you want to get down, Okay, so this is it, and I'm gonna be taking mine. This is actually mine right now. Okay, and it is really good. So that's it. Make that and drink it just at the right time you want to get in contact. Yeah, and you're gonna be strong, you're gonna be wanting, and you're gonna be enjoyable and enjoying. Yeah, you know what I mean. You're gonna be enjoying and you're gonna be enjoyable. So it's actually very good for male and female. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye guys.